The complete set of equipment for producing rock sugar mainly includes basic equipment such as sugar dissolving tanks, temperature control boxes, and stainless steel barrels, as well as automated production line equipment such as single crystal rock sugar machines and polycrystalline rock sugar complete sets of equipment, front-end equipment for rock sugar processing machines, sugar dissolving and temperature control system, sugar dissolving tank, it is used to dissolve white granulated sugar to form syrup, temperature controlled box stainless steel bucket. After the syrup is injected, it forms a supersaturated solution through slow cooling, promoting crystallization. Automated rock sugar production line equipment taking single crystal rock sugar as an example. Core equipment. Single crystal rock sugar machine, it adopts coil-type automatic heating, vacuuming and sugar liquid supply, which can achieve efficient production.